Hey, what's up you guys? It's Shane from Learnerpreneur, and in this video you're going to learn how to check how many coins you have on TikTok. Coins are virtual currency that you can use to support others during their live streams. To go ahead and find out how many coins you have, open up TikTok, go to the bottom right hand corner and click on Me. That will open up your profile page, where from this page go to the top right hand corner, click on that three-dot menu, and that will open up your settings and privacy page, where you want to go down to the fourth choice under account where it says balance. Click on balance, and this will open up the page that shows you how many coins you have for a balance. You can see here that this account has 0. If you'd like to add coins to your balance, just go ahead and click on recharge. And that will open up several choices where you can buy 70 coins all the way up to 7,000 coins, depending on what your budget. I hope this video helped you on how to check how many coins you have on TikTok. If it did, smash like, subscribe, and watch this video right here to learn another cool trick with TikTok.